I don't know how different it would have been without COVID because so currently I'm on a gap year because after not being allowed to do it the first time, I decided I was getting my gap year the second time. So I'm on one currently. So it's not really that bad for me because I knew I was taking gap year either way, and then COVID happened. So it stopped me from doing the traditional gap year things.
Mm-hmm.
But I would say that I imagine it would be different outside of gap year, but it is a struggle to be employed. Don't assume just because you have a degree, you'll get a job off the bat. So it's a bit of a struggle for people. I'd say another thing I would say about post university, it will make you wish that you took up so many more opportunities while you're at university. So while those university opportunities are there, take them. That's one thing I would say, yeah.
Could you tell us more about your YouTube, what it's about, why you started it, where you plan to go with it, and what students / viewers can expect when they go on the page?
Okay, so my YouTube channel is called Array. The name just came about because it was like a nickname I was given in sixth form, and I've kind of just taken it on and adapted it a little bit for the channel. It's a new channel, so I'm still kind of finding my feet, but so far I'm currently sticking mostly to university related topics. I'm sharing my experiences that I had during university, and hopefully people will learn from them. I'm also going to let people follow my experiences onto further education, but I'm not just trying to remain within the university box. I do want to do some lifestyle stuff. So you may get little random travel vlogs because like I mentioned before, I love to travel. You get those. We may get like a cooking with me or something. Just I'm all over the place sometimes. So you may get a little bit of something, but I always like to inform people before on like the channel's Instagram as well. So